18 is the moment you gain full legal authority over your money. You can now sign contracts, borrow capital, and own assets. But without a specific system to manage these new permissions, most people spend their first decade of adulthood correcting early mistakes. In the next 5 minutes, we are going to build your adult financial triangle. This is a framework designed to automate your credit building, isolate your savings, and secure your investments in tax-shielded accounts. You will need your government ID, a laptop computer, and any cash you've accumulated from side hustles or gifts. Most 18-year-olds wait for their birthday money just to spend it. By configuring these tools today, you create a structural barrier that makes impulse spending difficult and long-term growth the path of least resistance. Step 1 is the banking split. This requires opening 2 accounts. Crucially, these accounts must be located at 2 entirely different banking institutions. The first account is your hub. This should be a fee-free checking or current account, such as Monzo in the UK, Bank of America in the US, or HDFC in India. This account handles your daily transactions and income. The second account is your vault. This must be a high-yield savings account at a separate bank, like Chase or Ally. This account is strictly for building a 3 to 6 month emergency fund. Keeping your savings in the same app as your daily spending is a common point of failure. If your emergency fund is visible every time you check your balance for a coffee, the friction to spend it disappears. You can solve this with automation. Set a recurring instruction in your hub account to move a specific percentage of every paycheck into the vault the moment it arrives. Physically dividing these institutions creates a layer of friction that removes the need for constant willpower. Your savings grow in the background without requiring daily decisions. Step 2 is the credit engine. To qualify for a mortgage or business loan later, you need a history of reliability. At 18, a starter credit card is the most efficient way to begin that record. Apply for a basic, zero-fee card. Once active, assign a single predictable monthly cost to it, like a Spotify subscription or a tank of petrol, and then stop using it for anything else. The danger of credit is carrying a balance. If you spend money you do not have, you will be charged high interest rates that quickly turn a financial tool into a debt cycle. Navigate to your credit app settings and immediately enable the autopay feature for the full statement balance every month. This automation ensures you never pay interest. You are using the bank's capital to systematically build a 700-plus credit score for free. Step 3 is the tax shield. Now that you are an adult, you must move any childhood investments into accounts you control independently. Avoid using a standard brokerage account for your primary investments. Without a tax shield, a significant portion of your future profits will be lost to capital gains taxes. This chart outlines the correct accounts by region. In the UK, open a stocks and shares ISA with a provider like Vanguard or Trading 212. You can invest up to £20,000 annually, and all dividends and gains are entirely tax-free. In the United States, open a Roth IRA via Fidelity, Vanguard, or Schwab. This allows your investments to grow tax-free, and you can withdraw them without a tax penalty in retirement. For viewers in India, you must submit a minor attaining majority, or AMM, form to your broker. This involves a fresh KYC process and your adult PAN card to unfreeze platforms like Sirota or Grow. Utilizing these specific account structures at 18 legally protects decades of compound interest from government taxes. With these 3 pillars in place, your adult financial triangle is now active. You have established a transaction hub, an isolated savings vault, an automated credit builder, and a tax-shielded investment account. Completing this checklist today removes the administrative hurdles that stop most people from ever starting. You are building the infrastructure for wealth, while many of your peers are still using their first adult accounts to finance lifestyle inflation. Comment your country and which account you open today. Then click the next video to see exactly how to invest your first $1,000 into your new tax-free account.